If you need to delete multiple notes in Evernote quickly, this video will show you the easiest desktop method step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old notes, removing duplicates, or clearing out an entire project, Evernote gives you a few fast ways to select more than one note at a time so you don't have to delete everything one by one. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. First, open Evernote on your Windows PC or Mac and go to your note list. This part is important because you want to be viewing your notes in list view, not in cards or snippets. List view makes it much easier to select multiple notes at once and see exactly what you're deleting. Now let's talk about the different ways you can select notes. If the notes you want to delete are right next to each other, click the first note in the list, then hold Shift and click the last note in the range. Evernote will highlight everything in between, which is perfect when you want to remove a whole group of related notes all at once. If the notes are scattered throughout the list, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and then click each note individually. This lets you build your own custom selection without selecting everything around it. It's a great option if you only want to delete a few specific notes and keep the rest. And if you want to select all the notes in the current view, click once on any note in the list first, then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. That will select every note currently visible in that view, which is extremely useful when you're doing a larger cleanup. Once your notes are selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted notes. From the menu, choose Move to Trash. In some cases, you may also be able to use the Delete or Backspace key, depending on your system settings, but Move to Trash is the safest and clearest option because it keeps your notes recoverable until you empty the trash. After you send the notes to the trash, they won't appear in your main note list anymore. If you're just organizing your account, that may be all you need. But if you want to permanently remove them, you'll also need to empty the trash afterward. That part is optional, so only do it if you're sure you no longer need those notes. One quick tip. Before you delete a large batch of notes, take a second to double-check your selection. It's easy to accidentally include the wrong note when using Shift, Ctrl, or Command, especially if you're working fast. A quick review can save you from deleting something important by mistake. So to recap, the process is simple. Open your note list in Evernote, select consecutive notes with Shift, select scattered notes with Ctrl or Command, or select all with Ctrl+A or Command+A. Then right-click and move them to the trash. That's the fastest way to delete multiple notes in Evernote on desktop. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Evernote tips, productivity tutorials, and easy step-by-step app guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.